Doing as many things as possible in the shortest time possible is what we need nowadays. Every minute is valuable, and therefore we do not want to spend it doing one activity for a long time, such as changing the visibility of our WooCommerce product attributes for hours. To help you with this, we'll show you how to activate the Is Visible option for all your product attributes at once, using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your products on a spreadsheet for you to edit any of the fields and values right there, just as you would do with Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. To activate the visibility for all product attributes, you must open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. Then, select the product attributes field. Select Change Attribute Settings as the edit type. Choose the setting Is Visible. The new value will be Yes. And select All to activate the visibility for all the product attributes. Finally, execute and all the products will be updated. Another option is to activate the visibility only for specific attributes. To do this, we will use the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the product attributes field. Select Change Attribute Settings as the edit type. Enter this option to make the variations visible. The new value will be Yes. And here is where you can edit the product colors, the product sizes, etc. Finally, execute to update all the attributes. You will activate the Is Visible option for all the product attributes doing these simple steps. It's really easy because you only have to do this process once to activate this option for all your products, no matter how many there are. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.